So the experience level of your attorney, whoever you should choose to hire, is vitally important in the prosecution and maximization of your claim. And there's a number of reasons as to that. First and foremost, an experienced lawyer will know what to do and when to do it, right? They're going to know how to preserve your claim. They're going to know how to communicate effectively with the other side. They know how to gather the evidence, not just how to gather it, but what to look for, and then how to get that evidence and preserve it in a way that makes sense and is usable down the line should the case go to trial. So experience level, just in terms of how to manage a claim, is very important. And on the flip side of that is the fact that insurance companies and defense attorneys, they pay attention to who the good lawyers are, who's getting the big settlements, who's going to trial, who's willing to go to trial. A lot of lawyers don't. Who's getting, great arbitration awards, so on and so forth. And they keep it's almost like a Rolodex. They keep a list of their top attorneys, right? And so when those lawyers show up on claims, they are more likely to pay out larger sums of money and do it quicker than if they are dealing with an attorney they've never dealt with before, or they have a poor reputation. They're not maximizing their claims, they settle on the cheap, they're not advocating for their client, they're kind of a pushover. You definitely don't want the pushover firms supporting you. You want the experienced firms like ours supporting you because of those reasons. And this isn't just happenstance. I mean, I've heard this from insurance adjusters, I've heard it from insurance defense attorneys alike, that they really do pay attention to who the lawyer is representing the plaintiff, the injured party. And they base their evaluation in large part on who that lawyer is and their track record of success.